Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today I'm going to show you Epson ET-8550's front panel and how can we change the start button. There's one screw here, so that's the single screw. We remove the screw and then we can lift up the cover. And this board, we can slide it out, remove the wire to the LED. Here is the push button that starts the printer. Here's a closer look. Push underneath, you can remove the start button. How can I know about this? We can go to BCH Technologies.com and search for ET-8550 parts list. And we select this document. I constantly update this document, so whenever I have a new update, you should automatically receive a new link for the newest version. So my plan is when I make a new video, I put a little YouTube icon here. So if you click the name, it brings you to the product page that you can get a spare part. For the LED board, it's glued down through a double-sided tape, so it's pretty easy to remove. To install, we're going to put the cable on and then push it down. And there's a little area for the iron core. There are two holes on the top of the start button. We match the two tabs. Now we connect the wire with the subboard. And we'll just loop in the subboard underneath the black holder. And then we slide the black holder underneath that thing. And now the only thing we need is screw it. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please visit us at BCH Technologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.